taking my inspiration from Wolfgang Puck's book, Make It Easy, which was co-written also by the same woman who co-wrote my husband's last cookbook. Okay, so there's Wolfgang and my husband. He was his opening chef at Spago, and Wolfgang gave us this book 20 years ago when he just written it. And it's great. A lot of good recipes. So here's the star of the show, New York steak. Here's the supporting cast. Key ingredient, port wine. Start out preparing the meat just the way my husband would have. Nice, just salt and pepper. Now, of course, everything's easier with great quality ingredients. I went to a really good butcher. But this sauce that I'm about to make, you could put it on a shingle and it would taste good. 4 minutes each side, and here's a little restaurant tip, then in the oven. I only cook my steaks to rare because number one, then they'll stay warm while I prepare other things, and I want mine medium rare. So get rid of the fat in the pan. Now I'm gonna add the port to deglaze the pan. So get all that yummy steak juices there. Pan's a little hot. Turn off the heat. Then I'm gonna add cream once that deglazing has occurred, and some Dijon mustard. So you've got port wine, cream, Dijon mustard. It's gonna be good. I actually was more Dijon there. I just didn't get the shot there. And ideally, you might want to give up the wooden spoon and get to a whisk. If only I had a whisk. Oh, I have a whisk. Great. And how about some butter? Yep, just throw them on in there. All of the great ingredients to go with the steak. So it's really a simple sauce. Once you take the steak out, let it set for 5 minutes, and then you are going to cut against the grain. I was serving 7 people that night. They were all very happy. I served some potatoes and a salad, and everything went. Wolfgang has fillets in his book, but really it would go with any nice cut of meat. It would probably go with chicken, pork, previously mentioned shingle. Really pretty sauce. The smell, so good. I chose a slow-mo for this, like a big makeout at the beach, but better. A little parsley to top it off, and then the first taste. Oof, fantastico.